How to fix Apple ID security questions cannot reset. 1. Visit I forgot website you want to change your Apple ID email. 2. Enter your Apple ID. 3. Click Continue. 4. You will be asked some questions to verify your identity. Apple wants to make sure that it is really you. 5. Answer the questions. 6. Then select I need to reset my security questions. 7. If you cannot verify your account, you may not be able to reset your Apple ID security questions and you may get the cannot reset security questions. We don't have sufficient information to reset your security questions message. If this is the case, you should do 1. Visit Apple ID support page. Note that Apple also offers live chat support. 2. Select forgot security questions. 3. Then you will be presented with various help options. Note that these help options may vary depends on your region. If you do not remember your answers, and if Apple team may authenticate your identity, they will ask you several questions, they may not be able to help you. Because they also may not access your account. They may offer you a new Apple ID, but note that you will lose all your past purchases.